My name is Jackie Mitchell. I am known as the girl who struck out Babe Ruth. When I was born, I was only 3 pounds. As soon as I could walk, my dad took me to the baseball game. I love baseball. All the boys said I could not play baseball, but they were wrong. My dad told me I could do anything I want if I worked hard on it. I worked on baseball. My neighbor taught me how to throw a pitch called the drop pitch. I was the second woman in history to sign a men's minor league contract. I played for the Chattanooga Lookouts. On April 2nd, 1931, I played an exhibition game against the New York Yankees. The first batter I faced was Babe Ruth. I threw the ball, strike 1. A crowd of 4,000 cheered for me. I threw the ball again. Strike 2. The crowd cheered again. I threw the ball. Strike 3. You're out, yelled the umpire. I can't believe it. I struck out Babe Ruth. Babe threw his bat down in disgust. He screamed at the reporters and said, I will never play against a girl in baseball again. The next batter was Lou Gehrig. I struck him out too.